Hi everyone, this is your host Japleen. Thanks for tuning in on my channel. If you aren't subscribed, please consider it as it will be the best way to support my channel. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. We are going to make bodice patterns, so these are the required measurements. Draw a vertical line equal to the shoulder to waist length. The shoulder point is the one closest to the neck. We call it the highest shoulder point. On this line, add front and back, neck depth. Draw a perpendicular line, equal to the half of a cross shoulder, and add half of the neck width. Go down by 2 centimeters and make shoulder slope. Divide round bust measurement by 4, then subtract 1 inch from it. This length is bust level. Half of the distance between shoulder point and bust level is where we are going to make across chest level. Make a point at half of the across chest measurement. At the waist level, make a perpendicular line equal to the quarter of the round waist measurement. Mark a guideline as shown. At the bust level line where the guideline crosses, make a line at 45-degree angle of 1.5 inch length. Now make a curve joining the across chest point, the 1 inch mark on the angled line, and the 1/4 of the ground bust point as shown. This will be our front armhole curve, and for back armhole join the 1 1/2 inch point on the angled line. Similarly, join the neck width and neck depth point with curve for front and back neckline. Now close the pattern with straight lines as shown. Just keep in mind that these angles are at 90 degrees. Clean up any extra lines and label the pattern. Draw the grain line and infold line, and there you have it. Your bodice pattern is complete. For cutting the pattern on fabric, add 1 inch seam allowance on straight seam and 1/2 inch seam allowance for curve. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please do comment and I'll respond to it.